Sabi nga sa kantang Opalite ni Taylor Swift, "You were dancing through the lightning strikes, but now the sky is opalite." Ganon din minsan ang mga kwento. May surprises, may biglaang saya, at may mga araw na parang ang gaan lang ng lahat. Sa Sapa, Vietnam, you walk from village to village with mountains all around. Fresh air everywhere, and the day feels easy and happy. Perfect for couples, friends, or families looking for a one-day escape, isang araw na may lakad, may tawanan sa daan, at mga sandaling mapapangiti ka kahit wala kang inaasahan. Sometimes, the best stories are the ones you don't plan too much. You just enjoy them as they come. Sapa One Day Trekking Experience, message Mardigo Tourist Travel and Tour for your new story, your adventure.